Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. Now after a moment, hold power button and volume down, or not down, but volume up at the same time. And when the device starts booting up with the HUAWEI logo visible on the screen, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. Now if in like next 10 seconds the device doesn't show up the HUAWEI logo, you can let go of the power button and then start holding it again. Sometimes it's just being a bit stupid and not really entering recovery mode if you start holding these buttons a little bit too quick. Now in here, you can just select whichever option you want. And we have a couple. So we have restart, which takes us back to the OS. We have clear data, which consists of factory data reset and wipe cache partition. We also have update mode and save mode. Now I'm going to select restart to leave this mode and get back to the OS. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.